Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? It's your friend Teacher Jordan here, ready for another day. We're going to tackle it together. First, I'd like to show you my show and tell. Have you ever had a pen like this before? It's such a cool little pen. Let me show you what it does. So on my pen, I have two rulers. I have an American ruler and a Taiwan ruler. Also, I have a level. I can tell if the desk is level or not. I have a stylus, so I can write on the phone, and a pen, so I can write on the paper. But there's more, even more than that. I also have a Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips head looks like a T. T's a screwdriver. Phillips head. And then you spin it around and you got a flathead. Flathead screwdriver. And then you put the cap back on. Sometimes you have to put it on the right way. There we go. Huh? Maybe I put this in backwards. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. Ah, there we go. That's the correct way. And then, that is my special pen. So I hope you guys liked my little show and tell today. So I'm sure you guys are ready to find out what we're going to do. So the first thing I want you to do is to know that I bought some Milo, sorry. We say, in Spanish, we say Milo. Yeah, we got some Milo right here. Tastes so good. So I'm going to be sipping on some of that. In my special tree cup. It looks like a tree. Very good. Okay, so today, for our first video, or our first thing we're going to do is we're going to read some Elephant and Piggie. Today we're going to be reading... Wait, not this one. One second. Okay, we're going to be reading Happy Pig Day by Mo Willems. No, I didn't say Google. I don't know why my phone thinks I'm talking to it. Alright. Happy Pig Day by Mo Willems. I love pigs. I love pigs. I love pigs. I love pigs. Oh, Piggy loves pigs. Do you love pigs? I have a friend who thinks they're cute. Gerald! Gerald! Wow! Huh? I am so happy! Today is the best day of the year! Huh? Why do you think it's the best day of the year? Why? Today is free ice cream day? No. Today is... Do you know what today is? Is it her birthday? Is it Halloween? I don't know, but I like free ice cream. Happy Pig Day! Happy Pig Day? Yes. Happy Pig Day. The day of the pig. It is the best day to have a pig party. Huh? What is a pig party? Pig party? Do you want to have a pig party? I don't know if I want to have one. Maybe, but remember the other book? They talked about slop. I don't want to eat slop, do you? It is the best day to sing pig songs. It is the best day to dance pig dances. Wink, wonk, 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 wink, wonk. Hmm? Whoa, pig dances. I didn't know there was pig dances. Would you dance with a pig? Nah, I wouldn't dance with a pig. Pigs are weird. They like to get in the mud and get dirty. Ew. Piggy, 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 piggy. It is the best day to eat pig food. It is the best day to play pig games. Boing, 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 boing. Whoa, would you play a pig game? That sounds weird. Pig game. Ugh. Oh, I did not know about Happy Pig Day. Look! Oink, 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 oink. Uh-oh. Who's coming? Who do you think is coming? Who? Is it his mom and his dad? His aunt and his uncle? All my friends are here. Oink, 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 oink. Whoa, 1, 2, 3. Ah! What is happening? Huh? Oinky, oink, 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 oink. Oh, man. Oh, no. That is a lot of pigs. Oinky, oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. Oh, can you do that? With your friends? Can you make a tower with them? I don't think I can. That sounds pretty hard. But a pig tower, that sounds even harder. Pig tower. Isn't this great, Gerald? Hey, wait. Where's Gerald? Gerald? Where did Gerald go? Oh no. Piggy has lost Gerald. Can you find him? We'll have to continue our story tomorrow and find out, where did Gerald go? Did he go to eat ice cream? Did he go to the store? Did he go to get the mail? Did he go home? Or did he go to sit down? I need to put on my thinking cap. Thinking cap. I think Gerald went to go take a break. It seems... I guess... I think it seems like Gerald might be a little lonely. Do you know the word lonely? Have you ever been lonely before? Well, I'll tell you, it sure won't be the last time. I'm just kidding. That's so mean. No, it's okay sometimes to be alone, but being lonely is actually pretty hard. Always make sure that you take care of your friends. If you have a friend, say hi to them every day or every few days. Make sure you say hi to them and make sure you tell them thank you, and make sure you tell your friends that you love them and share your toys with them. Because sometimes it's too easy to be alone. And that's just sad. So we have to open up our arms big, big, big and say, okay, come here. You can be our friend. That way we don't have people to be alone. And the more friends you have, the more opportunities you have too. Alright, let's get ready for the next part. Activity number 1, a rubber band gun. I've taught you this before, but let's see. Some people may have not seen that video. Do you want to know how to turn your rubber band into a gun? Pew, 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 pew. Yeah? Okay, follow me. First, you get a small rubber band. Next, you take your rubber band and put it on your finger, like this. Then, you wrap it around the back of your hand, like this. Okay? And you want to go all the way around here. And back up the... Ooh. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. Because this one's too small for Teacher Jordan. So, I'm going to wrap it around this part of my thumb. Just like that. You want to... Ow, ow, ow! You want to be very careful. Okay? Oh, I missed. Oh, this is very hard. When I was a kid, it was so much easier. There we go. And you want to rest it right there, okay? Ow, ow. This is a slippery boy. Ah! Hold up. Ugh, I dropped it. Ugh. I've never had this much problem before. Is this a super small rubber band? I don't know, maybe. What's this? I'm trying to catch it onto here. Alright. Ow. Okay, I got it. So then you want to shoot it at, let's try the wall, okay? So we have the wall right here, and we're going to cover our eyes because this might not be safe. And, okay, and I shot the wall. All you have to do is let go with this finger. All right, let me go clean that up. Always, always, always clean up. All right, very good, everyone. Teacher Jordan can see you. That's right. I'm watching you. I'm watching you very carefully. This is called binoculars. Well, actually, I think it's called a monocular. I don't know what one is called, but we're gonna just say binoculars. Can you say with me? Say binoculars. Binoculars. You can use them to see really, really far. Far, far away. Like it's really close. So if someone was over here, it looks like they're over here. So close. It's really fun. Have to clean that one up too. Have to put it away. I got you. All right, everybody. So that's Teacher Jordan's Corner for today, episode 43. Yeah, 43. Yeah, episode 43. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for tomorrow where we finish the story, and we're gonna do some more origami. Okay? We're gonna do some kind of fun origami thing. I'm still not sure exactly what yet. Okay? So be ready, have some fun, and eat some good food. Okay? Be happy, and of course, don't forget to be silly. Okay? So long, good friends, goodbye. And now it's time to go. The moon, the bear, and the big blue house. We'll see you very soon, I know. Very soon I know. Goodbye now.